Have you heard the name of Bhalswa Lake? It's right here in Delhi, and unfortunately, I must say that we are killing the lake. We, the people of Delhi, are killing Bhalswa Lake. Something that was 98 acres has now shrunk by almost one third, 40%, and there's nothing but dead fish, filth, gobar all over, and encroachments from all sides. It's sad that we sit in the capital and unfortunately we do not preserve our water bodies. If properly looked after, this can bring us revenues through tourism, it can increase employment, it can help the people who have settled around in generating additional income. So let's stop the deterioration of Balswa Lake. Let's take positive, proactive action to preserve our water bodies. Right to water is a fundamental right because it has direct impact on livelihood and life itself. And what about the animal, plant, and bird life? If we don't have this lake, we'll have none of it. So please, guys, open your eyes. Karwaanmission is currently trying to do its best to preserve the lake. I appeal to everyone, including government authorities, the municipal authorities, the DDA, and everybody who loves nature and who wants water for our children must take an active interest in this particular project. All the best. Let's revive Bhalswa Lake.